Hello and welcome back to the Home Improvements Channel UK, and today I'll be showing you guys at home how to paint the awkward top of the staircase. Woo! Let's get into it. Remember guys, if you're enjoying these videos, make sure you hit the like button and subscribe button and hit that bell. Step 1, let's grab yourself a ladder. Woo! Now you've got yourself a ladder, we come up the stairs, up the stairs, up the stairs, wee! Once you get yourself a ladder, all you got to do is you got to offer it up to the wall. And if you did something like this, no, it's very dangerous. So have the ladder straight up, you've got a chance of it leaning back, and boom, you're finished. Forget about it. Finito. Right, so now get your ladder, bring it up a couple steps, lock it in so it leans forward. So when the ladder's at this sort of angle, it's tilted into the back of the stair, just like this. So when you're on it, the only way it wants to go is backwards, and there's nowhere for it to go. Safety's key. Top tip is get yourself something soft like a towel and wash your face with it. No, just joking. Right, what you got to do is, because obviously ladders are sharp, what you got to do is you just pull your ladder back, get something soft over it like that, bish bash bosh, real good nosh. That sounded weird, but yeah, let's just keep going with it. The towel will prevent the ladder from marking the wall. That's a top tip, so keep that in mind. Right, step 2 is get yourself some wood. Right, grab yourself some wood. I'm going to be using 6x2 on this occasion because that's what I've got laying around, but recommend a scaffold board. So what we're going to do is we're going to bring it in through the window because it's a little bit taller than what we needed. Oh. And then what you do is, boom. And what you do is you just make sure that when you bring it in, that the height on that ladder is the same height as your landing. Because if it's unlevel, it makes it unsafe. On to the next bit. Step 3, let's try this thing out. Top tip from us, the Home Improvements Channel UK, is when you're painting, or cutting in, don't just crawl back, dip it, and then walk back, because that creates more danger. What you need to do is take your paint over to your place where you're painting, plop it down, and that way, when you reach down, boom, you can be like, what? What's happening? Get another bit. That way you can literally do this whole area without walking back and forth and creating more calls for, you know, an accident, which we don't want here at the Home Improvements Channel UK. We're just here for safety advice. Or we're going to have a quick rundown. Right, just remember that your ladder has to be tilted at a safe angle and locked into the back of the tread. Just make sure you have a towel or something at the top of your ladder to stop marking your... That one's come off, how bad this is. Just make sure it's over so you don't mark the wall, alright? And the last tip, make sure you keep your paint spot where you are at the end of the staircase so you can move around without walking back and forth too much, creating danger. So that's another helpful video from the Home Improvements Channel UK for all you little DIYers out there, how to paint the awkward stairs. Just remember, if you're liking our videos, please hit the like button and subscribe button and hit that bell for regular videos from us and the crew. Till the next time, we'll see you again.